Said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
Sam got me flowers. You're so sweet. We're about to get lunch at this really cute spot. I'll put the name of it because I don't even remember. Obsession. They can kiss. Clink. We're the same. Yeah, but yours just looks way better. Like mine can't even focus.
Well, because I killed my child.
I am officially home. I just got back from having lunch with my girl Cam. She's so awesome. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'll leave her linked in the iCard. She got me flowers for getting into nursing school, which was so incredibly sweet. We had the best time catching up. I need to put these bad boys in water, so that's what we're gonna do. Ooh. I'm on a little bit of a time crunch because we have something very exciting going on tonight. Portland Trailblazers invited me to one of their games, so obviously I said yes. I've gone to a couple Blazers games growing up and I haven't been in a really long time. Actually, I was supposed to go March 12th, 2020, and then the game got canceled for my dad's birthday. So this will be actually coming full circle. I'll finally get to go to a game. So Scout and I are both going to the game tonight. It starts at 5. We're in the middle of playoffs. This is game 6. I think we really need to win tonight, and if we win tonight, then we will be tied. 3 games that we won and 3 games that Denver has won. And then the 7th game will be the big deciding factor. I'm very excited that I get the opportunity to go and watch the game in a really safe way. They actually have a vaccinated section and an unvaccinated section. So if you sit in a vaccinated section, you just have to show proof that you actually are vaccinated, which is great because Scout and I are both vaccinated. So we're gonna sit in the vaccinated section, which is awesome. You still wear your mask and everything, but yeah, you know the people around you are all safe, which is fantastic. Putting my gorgeous flowers here on the table. They are so gorgeous. I'm mostly ready for the game. Like my hair is pretty much done, but I need to get the outfit ready. I wanted to wear my Trailblazer shirt that I had bought literally a year ago to wear to the game. So I'm gonna steam this bad boy. We're gonna get ready for the game, pick Scout up. Let's go. I am officially ready for game day. Got my shirt on, my tiny little bag because they're only allowing little tiny little bags. Let's go pick Scout up.
We first started out with our flaws to care about. We were both young and sure.
Scout and I just parked and we are heading inside now. We're excited. Scout and I are getting foam fingers. Dude, those sweatpants are cute. Oh, this is so cute. It's cute. Oh my god, stop. And now we're down 113 to 121.
I still think we're gonna win.
She has faith. I don't know. 8 points. We only have 1 minute and 24 seconds left. Only 30 seconds left. We're down.
I'm losing faith.
I know.
It's not looking good, people. I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, we lost. We still love our Blazers.
Good morning, guys. Today is orientation day for nursing school. I can't believe it.
I am just getting ready this morning. It is 8:09, so I really definitely want to leave here in 10 minutes. Which was poor planning on my part because I'm not going to be able to eat breakfast. I might have to whip into the pantry and see what I have in there. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. Like, this is the first impression to meet all of my classmates and a lot of my professors. You know, when I went to U of O, I knew so many people that I went to high school with. Like, I knew I already had friends and I was gonna make more, and I did. It was
less nerve-wracking because I knew so many people already. I like literally know not a single soul. So I was texting with T1 last night and I was like, dude, do you think I can make friends? I hope I have friends. She's like, you're gonna be fine. But I'm like, girl, I don't know. I hope I can make a friend. I feel like everyone who gets into nursing, like they obviously care about people. They have to have like a certain attitude about life where you deal with stuff that's not so great. So in a weird way, we have so much in common. It's not like everyone's a different major. We're all like here to help someone, we care about people. I feel like this is my first day, even though Monday is. But I don't know, I just feel like this is like, it feels real. I don't know, it hasn't really quite hit me these past couple weeks. I guess maybe when I got my books, I texted my friend about this. I'm like, it doesn't feel real until you're there. Like you can talk about it and it can be a thing, but it just doesn't feel real. I don't know if I'm gonna film anything at all. I just want to be present in the moment. Filming in nursing school is gonna be really different than filming in college. I'm still gonna obviously like get the content for you guys, but I just want to be careful and respectful. Here we go, orientation time. Let's do this.
'Cause now I know the difference. Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference, between desire and a deference.
Hello guys. I got home and I took a little nap. I'm about to leave again to go drop off some of my coaching supplies at our head coach's house, but I wanted to give you guys a little haul and tell you guys how nursing school orientation went. Kind of a lot of talking as to be expected. Got to meet some of the professors through Zoom and we're in person. There's still a lot of COVID-19 regulations even though we're in person, and I think all of us had to either show that we're vaccinated or we had to get tested like 2 days before. Overall, good experience. A lot of like people were older than I thought, which was kind of a surprise. Everyone seemed super nice, and the peer leaders who were like our orientation peer people who we got to ask questions to and walk around campus were so nice and so helpful. I got a little goodie bag. They also got us lunch and it was this like really amazing chicken bowl, super healthy, like up my alley with tzatziki. We got a Linfield sticker. This was like our plan for the day, a little map of the school. We got a Linfield mask, very fun, go Cats. I got a bunch of things for my ID, student ID with our picture that we uploaded, as well as our parking pass. So this ID gets us into buildings. They gave us a badge reel, got a lanyard, a pen, and we got some high chews. I'm actually gonna eat that right now. I did get a new badge reel in the mail and I haven't opened it, so one sec. I just ordered this from a website called Snarky Nurses. If you guys are in nursing, go follow them on Instagram. Even if you're not, anything in the medical field, honestly, I think it's funny, and their website has like a bunch of fun merch. I treated myself like a week ago and got myself this badge reel. Got a bunch of little succulents on it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And it says, I'm rooting for you. So that is everything that I got, and basically the lowdown of orientation. I wanted to do something fun today, but everyone's kind of busy. I'll talk to you guys either later today if I end up doing something, or we'll see what else I do this weekend.
I've been thinking for days. Yeah, I've been.
Good morning, you guys. I've had a productive morning. This took me like over an hour to do, but I finally figured out my schedule. I wrote down every single time I have class, every single time I have a test. I got this at Target last night. I'll try to link it down below so you guys can get one if you want, because I just liked the colors of it and it was only $8. I'll leave a link to this down below, and I'll also link my Knock Knock pad because this starts in July, so I had to like do the first 3 weeks of school on my Knock Knock pad. I'm excited to hang this up and see it. I feel like I have my life together and I understand my schedule. I have like the weirdest times that I randomly like don't have class because it's different every single week. So I have been in my bed literally like all day. It's 11 o'clock. I had breakfast, did all this, and now I'm going to edit my friend's wedding video. So I think I'm gonna get out of my bed, do my laundry, because I'm trying to get all of my things together in my life and just tidy up my apartment. Tonight I'm going over to Katie's parents' house. We're all gonna have dinner. I've got 2 more days till nursing school. Today, tomorrow, then nursing school. And the first week is like a lot. I have every single class and it's like almost all day. So that's what's up. I'm wearing my Cam Strong shirt, my Be Kind shirt. So shout out to Cam if you're watching this. I love you, and I wear your shirt all the time and I think of you and how awesome you are. All right, I'm gonna do some laundry.
Disappear, but I'll keep on losing it. Oh, I'll keep on losing it.
that I need to rearrange things. I'll be a plan of God in faith, and I'll wash away my sins. I have my soul cast in a lake and burn my days away. Oh God, I've lost the only thought that keeps me sane.
I cannot believe I just did that. Welcome to our new nursing school station. Now we have the calendar on the wall. I also wanted to show you guys before I put it away. I got these two things at Target. I love little books like this to put in your pocket for clinical so you can write stuff down. I use this one for CNA 1 and 2, but it's pretty thrashed and it doesn't like hold up very well. And then I got this awesome notebook that's got all different tabs. This is from Target as well, so you kind of have your class sections divided, and I like that it's not like too thick per section, so I could get 4 classes out of this. I'm gonna try to do my notes digitally, I think. I was talking to the girls at orientation and asking them what they do, and they definitely were like, this one professor who I have talks so fast that there's no way you're gonna be able to like take notes manually, like you have to take them on her slides. But this is gonna be for like something. Maybe this doesn't look too amazing, but this is like so much better than it was. I went through a bunch of papers and half of these folders are all empty. I'm saving some of this stuff that I think will be helpful. This is all stuff from U of O, like undergrad. This whole entire thing has literally every study guide I've pretty much ever made. Then I got some notebooks and planners and things that I use, medical dictionary that I'm just still hanging on to. This is like a little bit more of like my nursing section slash overstock. I've got my favorite little pen things that I use for studying. My friend Kylie got me this amazing UV sanitizer as like a gift for getting into nursing school, and I'm really excited to use this to sanitize my phone and stuff. I've got my stethoscope here, which I heard we're getting stethoscopes, so I already have one. I might use mine because I like it a lot. I have just like a bunch of Linfield stuff here, extra patches, badge reels. Then this is all of my extra like pencils. I've got extra tabby things. I'm saving my clicker. I don't think I'll ever have to use this again, but whatever, it's here. Extra notepads. The best part is this drawer. It was such a mess, and now she is so gorgeous. I did all of my highlighters and pens or markers in this container. This has my midliners right here in the packs that I can just grab, and then all of my pencils, some extra tabs, and then these are all pens. These are my favorite ones, these tooly ones, but then I have some more that I like down below that I can kind of grab and like take to clinical. Good to go for nursing school. And I have my ID badge right here to get into places and my watch so I don't forget that. I even packed up all of my ski stuff, which made me really sad, but I think it's time to take it back to my parents' house. That was a productive little chunk of time. I'm probably gonna eat lunch and then get to editing.
There used to be an old wire that worked that thing. So I'm using the old wire to kind of tug along the new wire. Okay. So I tied the old one, but I'm fishing it. So.
But yeah, then I have to go down there and grab it in the hole. All right. Should I go in like head first, or should I just lie down?
I think I went in head first before.
Oh my god. So wait, I need the tool and the zip ties. I should have brought a hair tie.
You can use a zip tie.
Well, there's a hair tie.
People will now understand what things like a handy little control module take
like
to make happen. I mean, you can decide what you want to do. You can look down in there and see how far it is. If you want to go head first or feet first, I went head first, I think.
Yeah, I think I have to. I don't know how you fit down here. I'm in.
I'm going to close this thing a little bit. I don't think it'll close.
Put my feet inside?
But you want to?
Then I have no air.
It won't be in there very long.
Oh my god.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, oh, this is easy now. Okay, you just keep her going. So is it all kind of taut? There's no more slack left? Okay, then I'm going to have to feed you more wire from the other side. Hang on. Once you have it zip tied, I'll pull the slack back out.
You gave me zip ties that are too small for this.
Does it not go around?
Yeah, I need longer ones.
Connect 2 zip ties together then, one into the other, chain them. You knew what you had to do, you got in there and got it done. Like in the sheet metal business, a lot of times it's just like that. And you're gonna cut the tails off of those things so you do a nice job, and you can just throw them down here and I'll grab them. Here she comes. Boat mechanic, Kiara, Madisen. Look at that.
Get out. Hire me on the deadliest catch.
She may be hurt.
I needed a phone. Okay, we did it.
See, there's a new stereo over there.
It's gorgeous.
And the wiring to the speakers have been tied together. Kenwood little control module that we can work, but those wires need to be energized, and that's what Kiara was chasing the wires across for.
We're a wonderful team. Boat mechanic, hit us up if you need work done on your boat. Last year I had to go inside of the engine compartment.
But that was way more claustrophobic. If you were like scared of that, you're done. So I can't believe you went down there. I just need to show everyone that you're alive because I've gotten so many comments about where have you been. So do you just want to tell people that you're alive? I'm alive. She's alive. She's got all of her fans here.
Maybe we should go.
Oh, it's the door. I get so awkward when that happens. Well, hope you got it, buddy. Katie Mac, this is Katie and Kiara's cooking show.
Katie Mac, this is Katie Mac.
She's doing the sauce. I'm doing the zoodles, and we're gonna have a delicious, scrumptious meal. Technically, it wasn't your fault. It was gurgling.
It bubbles it.
Are those olives for us?
I'm gonna put them in the sauce.
I spy olive pit. We need to go back to the olive pit. If you're from Sacramento area, you know what the olive pit is. Ooh.
That's so good.
Oh, I could eat that whole jar.
I can me too.
Stimulate, you burn my days away. Oh God, I've lost the only thought that keeps me sane.
You guys aren't catching me. I'm like this. Oh my gosh. This is the surprise. Shut up. This is so cute. Kiara, good luck on your first day of nursing school. We are so proud of you and cannot wait to see all the amazing things you accomplished. Love, Keegan and Emma. Keegan and Emma, I do not deserve you. I'm gonna put these right here. These are so gorgeous. Guys, it is really late. It's like 10:30 and I gotta get ready for bed because I start nursing school tomorrow. I was just sitting in the car thinking about like how crazy and surreal the past 2.5 weeks have been and how it's finally like feeling real. I just did my discussion post and 2 replies. I already submitted my first nursing school assignment. I know this is about to be like the craziest year of my entire life and I'm excited for it. I'm nervous for it. I don't know, it's just so cool. Like I'll look back on this spot where I am right now in a 1.5 years and I'll be a nurse. I'm so grateful for all of the good people in my life who've been so supportive over the past 2 weeks. Oh my gosh, it's just been a ride. I didn't film much today. I got to have breakfast with one of my really good friends from high school and then I just hung out with my dad, ran a bunch of errands. We went mattress shopping. I just had a regular day and in the words of my parents, sometimes all you can ask for is a regular day. I'm gonna try to go to bed semi-early. Probably gonna take some melatonin tonight because I know I'm not gonna be able to sleep. It's like the first day of school jitters all over again. I love you guys so crazy much. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It's been helping me out so much. I love seeing how many of you guys are following my journey. If you're watching this, please go follow me on Instagram right now and go comment on my most recent photo that YouTube sent you and I'm gonna go try to stalk some of you guys. The question of the day is going to be, if you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would you tell them? Mine has always been, like ever since I graduated high school, just to always be who you are. All right, I love you guys so crazy much. I will talk to you tomorrow.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place and alive to find. How you been looking hella fine, I was still making up my mind.